Good morning, America, mostly Tampa. We are on site today, and we are going to see how hurricane windows are installed. Stay tuned. All the way down to the wood in about, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes. Sounds like we're gonna get the slider in and maybe a couple of these windows also today. All right, couple hours and a lot of change. These are Miami-Dade rated hurricane impact windows. Very heavy, all new track. Lip for the water. Massive how wide the track is. The originals were probably about this wide, almost twice as wide. And we got a little rain today that slowed things down, but tomorrow we'll start knocking out the windows, and this whole condo will be wrapped in hurricane glass.